Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about Jujutsu Kaisen episode number 19. A pretty action heavy episode, so I don't know what I'm gonna even say about this episode in the video, but I'll try my best. And also there were some explanations about Black Flash, etc., which they just always whenever somebody's explaining techniques, they just go over my head if they're complicated, and this definitely seemed a pretty complicated explanation, so it just went over my head. So I cannot talk about it, but let's talk about the episode. So, the first fight was between Hanami versus Fushiguro, Kamogai, and Inumaki, and their plan was to just keep on using Inumaki's power to create distance between them and Hanami so that they can just go near the veil and get the help of the teachers. And that's what their plan was, but it was not successful because Inumaki's power. It was not Inumaki's fault, but let's talk about Inumaki's power. So at surface level, it seems really broken because whatever he says, it takes effects on the other person. If he says stop, the other person will stop mid-air. If he says blast away, the other person will just blast away. So yeah, it seems pretty broken, but the thing is it has limitations, which is good. So first is that you can use cursed energy around your ears to protect yourself, and that way you can not get hit by Inumaki's power. And second, it takes a lot of toll on his body using this power because if depending on the opponent's strength, first of all, because if the opponent is really strong, whenever he says when he has to use more cursed energy, and because of that he runs out of cursed energy and it takes a lot of toll on his body. So if it's a weak opponent, he can use it a lot more times compared to when he's fighting a stronger opponent, and this is a special grade curse. And Inumaki is not I don't know. I think so. There are special grade Jujutsu sorcerers, right? There are first grade. I don't think the first grade is the highest one. The special grade must be the highest one. I'm not sure, but he's not one of those. So, he's not he's not in the top tier of the Jujutsu sorcerer. So of course, a special grade, it's out of his that curse spirit is out of his league, and all three of them were not able to do anything. They tried, but they decided to we just have to run away and take the help of the teachers. And during that fight, Inumaki was out of gas. Kamo got hit, so he was down for the count too. And we see Maki. So Maki and Fushiguro, they start fighting that spirit, but they were not able to do anything. They were not there was some wounds on the one arm of Hanami, but they were still not able to do anything and they got destroyed. Fushiguro even had some kind of branch or whatever, root, whatever, it was just coming out of his stomach. So yeah, Fushiguro was also done there. And to save them, they here joins Itadori and Toro. And this fight is gonna be hype. This was just the beginning of the fight. And as far as I can remember, I've read the manga. So as far as I can remember, this fight was pretty hype. Unless I'm confusing it with some other fight, but as far as I can remember, this was a pretty hype fight. So I'm looking forward to the next episode, and also stay on the lookout because I'm pretty much sure it was a really, really hype fight. So yeah, this was just the beginning. And talking about beginning, what's his name? Itadori tries to use Black Flash, and it is a new kind of technique we get to know. So we also we get to know that it not nobody can use Black Flash consistently. So I don't know what exactly does that mean, but Toro says that, so I guess it might be a difficult technique to pull off. So there was explanation about Black Flash, as I talked earlier. It just goes over my head, so I cannot help you in that case if you also didn't understand. So I'm not gonna be of any help because I didn't understand it either. So yeah, Black Flash. And it seems like a strong attack, but when Hanami got hit by it, he was damaged, but then he was just healed and back to normal. So if was Itadori's Black Flash weaker, or that's the extent of Black Flash, and if anybody else even uses it, this is the amount of damage they're gonna do. So I don't know about that. And their fight, as I told you, it was just the beginning, and the animation in this episode was really, really good, especially in during Toro and Itadori's fight, when the trees and branches were coming out. They were just building themselves and they were running on those branches. Like that animation was really, really sick. And they also had one moment where like the fight is pretty interesting because they were running on the branches to catch up to Hanami, and Hanami just like removed all those branches, so they didn't had any ground to stand on. So they just started falling they started falling, and they were in midair, and Hanami decided to attack them, but they are now brothers, or as they call themselves, best friends. So they like put their legs together and just created distance between them, and they survived that attack. And it is just the beginning. Like we see like Todo saying that I'm gonna now start using my technique. And also one thing is we saw Todo's power. We saw a glimpse of it in one of the episodes when Itadori was surrounded by all the other students of like Todo's school. So I don't know if you can understand what his power is from that episode. So I know what his power is. I'm not gonna say anything, but I don't know if you can figure that out from that episode only. So I don't know. And yeah, he says he's going to be using his power. It is a power you have seen. If you're watching Jujutsu Kaisen, you have seen that power somewhere else, like pretty similar power somewhere else. So yeah, when you're gonna see it, you're gonna know. And yeah, this was a action heavy chapter. I don't know what else to say. I talked about everything that I could. So yeah, that was Jujutsu Kaisen, a good episode, but it felt like not a lot happened in this episode. So I feel like next one is gonna be like as I told you, this was just the starting of the fight. The main heavy stuff is gonna happen in the next episode and maybe the one after that also. So yeah, that was it. Let me know what did you guys feel about this episode in the comments below, and I will be here for Jujutsu Kaisen episode number 20 next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.